Are you looking for the best treadmills in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best treadmills that are available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, quality, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. At number 5, Sunny Health and Fitness Exercise Treadmills. This budget-friendly treadmill from Sunny Health and Fitness is the cheapest option we recommend by a considerable margin. We wouldn't normally suggest looking at this price point, but this model stands out as a clear exception to the rule. Of course, to hit such a low price, Sunny did make a good few compromises. The belt is the skinniest we've seen. The motor tops out at 9 miles per hour, roughly a 640 mile. And you have to get off the machine and flip a lever under the deck to adjust the incline. All that aside, it's smooth and reliable at walking speeds, and it's handy for the occasional jog when you otherwise can't get outside. It won't withstand regular use like the pricier models on this list will, but it's cheaper than some gym memberships and it'll last you longer than a year if you're nice to it. At number 4, Horizon Fitness Treadmill. Instead of locking you into its own training ecosystem, Horizon keyed in on this treadmill's adjustment features to give you greater control of your workouts. The 7.0 has limited built-in training options, but it connects easily to an iPad or Android tablet. That keeps costs in check because there's no built-in television, and it allows you freedom to take Peloton classes or run using Zwift. We like the thumb dials mounted chest high on the hand grips that let you quickly adjust your speed and incline. It feels way more fluid than trying to stab at buttons on a console. It has a surprisingly steady platform, too. We set it up in one tester's home, and he found that the deck didn't shake at all, even after months of use. The belt is narrower and shorter than we'd prefer for high-speed running, but it's an ideal size if you're jogging or walking. Plus, you'll appreciate the small profile if you're setting it up in a small room. At number 3, Treadmill-Walking Pad Under Desk Treadmill. If you're a walker and your number 1 priority is affordability, we recommend the XTERRA treadmill. While it's certainly not the most feature-heavy option, its no-frills design is effective and easy to navigate, especially for beginner, walkers, and light joggers. Unboxing and setup took approximately 5 minutes, which is impressive considering other options can take anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours to set up. The belt is on the smaller side, but we think it works fine for the average adult. You can operate it by pressing the buttons on the bar or via the remote control. There is even a handy 3 to 6 button that allows you to toggle between 3 miles per hour and 6 miles per hour. A bar at your feet displays the speed and the time elapsed, which takes some getting used to. And while the XTERRA may lack more premium features like a built-in screen, we appreciate that it doesn't cut corners on safety. It comes equipped with an emergency stop clip, an essential feature that stops the treadmill if you lose your footing. Aside from the low price tag, the biggest appeal for this treadmill is the handlebar that folds down, converting it to a walking pad. If you work from home and want to get in some steps between meetings or even during meetings, we think it's an excellent choice. But if you're looking for an affordable treadmill that supports more rigorous activity, we recommend either the Horizon Fitness 7.0 or the NordicTrack T-Series 6. 5S. Both options are considerably more robust in design and features, though we recommend the NordicTrack more for those tight on space. At number 2, XTERRA Fitness Premium Folding Smart Treadmill. When comparing a budget treadmill to a more luxury option, tread cushioning is one of the first things you'll notice, meaning the more affordable treadmill often has a thinner belt. Those with bad knees will appreciate the technology of the added cushion when their sneakers hit the deck of the XTERRA Fitness TR150 folding treadmill. The large LCD screen tracks your workout feedback, including time, speed, distance, calories, and pulse. And the hand pulse grips on both sides of the handrail rather than a thumb grip add extra security. Easy access speed keys allow the speed to accelerate quickly when your favorite song flips on your playlist or during a running interval workout. This treadmill doesn't make too much noise, so you shouldn't need to pump the volume if you prefer to work out in front of the TV. At number 1, Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Sliding a walking pad under your standing desk has become a trendy and healthy work-from-home habit over the last couple of years. and the Goplus 2-in-1 folding treadmill is one of the best walking pads around. Pop the handrails up to use as a treadmill, or stash them down and slide the pad under your desk to get a few steps in. The 5-layer, non-slip, and shock-absorbing running belt cushions impact on joints, and it's one of the quieter machines on the market. Your neighbors will thank you. Thanks to the soft drop system that makes folding and unfolding a breeze, it's also lightweight and space-saving. We also appreciated that it has a remote control, so you can easily change your speed while using it as a walking pad sans handrails. The max speed is only 7.5 miles per hour, and there's no incline, which may not be high enough for intermediate or advanced runners. We also noticed that the running belt is only 40 long, which is pretty short, especially for tall people with long strides. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video. Until next time.